What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play Holy by Justin Bieber featuring Chance the Rapper on the good old uke. As always, with every ukulele tutorial that I upload here on YouTube, I will include a skip to section right here where you can either skip to the chords, the chord progression, or the strumming for the song. If you don't want to sit through the entire 10-minute video, I totally get it, I totally understand. But if you do and you watch the entire video, I would love you forever. Also, what I do want to note is that we will be uploading the full play along for this song, which basically consists of me strumming and singing the entire song with the chords and lyrics on screen. So it's a super easy play along for you, so make sure to come back, check back for that video. I will also have all the links below when that video goes live. And one super exciting and new thing that we're going to be doing on this channel is featuring you, because without you, this channel, these videos would not exist. So thank you so much for all the support. I will be featuring a commenter of the day. So today's commenter of the day is from Isa Fernandez. Thank you so much for turning on your notifications. Love you forever. If you're like, Ricky, how do I become a commenter of the day? All you have to do is leave a comment below. It could be anything. Let me know if you have your notifications, you like the video, or you had a good day, bad day. Let me know in the comments below and I'll feature that comment in the next tutorial video. So again, just leave some comments below. Make sure you're subscribed and you like this video, and you could be like Isa and be the commenter of the day. So with all that being said and done, let's go ahead and learn the chords that we need for this song. Alright, so the chords that we need for this song are B flat, C, D minor, and last but not least, F. So those are all the chords that we need for this song. If you're like, Ricky, I know all those chords, let's move on to the chord progression or the strumming. Again, skip to section right here, skip to whatever the timestamp says for each section in the video. But if you're like, Ricky, I just started playing a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago, please help me. I don't know where to put my fingers on the uke for each chord. I have no clue. Don't worry, this is why this video exists. We're going to go step by step on where to put our fingers on the uke for each chord, and then we'll talk about the chord progression and then finally the strumming. So if you want to learn the chords, then just keep on watching. Alright, so let's learn these chords that we need for this song. As always, I will include a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I just feel like it really helps when you can visually see and then have me talk you through it. So with that being said, the first chord that we need is the B flat chord. And how we're going to play this one is, you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger over the bottom two strings, which is the second and first string on the first fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the third string, second fret, and then you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the fourth string, third fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord is the C chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the first string, which again is the bottom string, first string, third fret, and it should sound like this. So the next chord is the D minor chord. I'm going to show you two different ways that you can play this chord so you can pick which one you feel more comfortable with. The first way is how I play it. So you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the second string, first fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to go over the top two strings, which is the fourth and third string on the second fret. And it should sound like this. So the second way I'm going to teach you is the more traditional way. So you're going to keep your pointer finger on the second string, first fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the fourth string, second fret. And then you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the third string, second fret. And it should sound exactly the same because your fingers are occupying basically the same spots. And it should sound like this. So just choose whichever feels comfortable to you. And the last chord that we need for this song is the F chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the second string, first fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the fourth string, second fret, and it should sound like this. So those are all the chords that we need for this song. If you do feel like you need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button, rewind to whatever section or chord you need a little bit more time on, and whenever the chords sound crisp and clear, then make sure to press play. And now let's talk about the chord progression that we're going to use for this song coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's talk about the chord progression that we're going to use throughout the entire song. And once you get this down, you basically have the entire song down. So it's going to go from F to C to D minor and then B flat. So again, F, C, D minor, and then B flat. So once you have that down, you basically have the entire song down. So now let's talk about the actual strumming that we're going to use throughout the entire song. And I'll make sure to keep the chord progression up when we talk about strumming, just so you know what chord comes next. So now let's talk about the way we play the song with the strumming coming up next. Alright, so we just talked about the chords and then we talked about the chord progression. Now let's talk about the different ways you can play this song. So I'm going to teach you a few different ways that you can play it. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I don't even want to concentrate on strumming. I'm trying to get through the chords and just singing. I just want to get through the song. So the first way is just going to be with a down strum. So you can strum down with your thumb or with your pointer finger. I'm just going to strum down with my thumb because I just find it a little bit more comfortable. So again, it's just going to go to F, and then C, D minor, and then B flat. So you're just going to strum down whenever you see a chord change. And again, I will have the entire chord sheet in the description below so you can copy and paste it. Keep it for yourself, save it on your laptop, computer, smartphone, wherever you save things, and that is my gift to you. And the beauty of the chord sheet is that the actual chord will be right above the word that you need to change. So you'll know exactly when to change chords for what word, and it just makes it a lot simpler. So again, whenever you see a chord change, just strum down. The second way you can play this song, and actually how I played it in the full play along video, again, I'll link that below, is with a strum pattern, and it's just going to be, I'm going to start off with the F, and it's going to be down, up, chuck. So let's do that again. In 3, 2, 1, down, up, chuck. So basically with the chuck, you're just muting the strings with this sort of portion, with the meaty portion of your hand right here. And again, it's just going to go down, up, chuck. And if you're like, Ricky, I hate chucking, or I just don't want to learn chucking just yet, it's a little too advanced, you can literally just go down, up, down, and then switch to the next chord, down, up, down. But I feel like the chuck just adds a little bit more spice, so definitely make sure to kind of push yourself to learn how to chuck. And there's great videos, which I'll link below as well, on how to chuck if you're more interested in that. But again, it's literally just muting the strings after you strum down, and then you mute down. So obviously you're going to do it quicker. And then when you do that strum pattern, down, up, chuck, it just adds a little bit more flair. So that is the different ways that you can play the song. Again, strum down, or the down, up, chuck, or without the chuck, it would just be down, up, down. Alright, so we learned about the chords, the chord progression, and the different ways you can play this song. So congratulations, you now know how to play Holy by Justin Bieber featuring Chance the Rapper on the good old uke. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to you for clicking on this video and watching this video. I truly, truly, truly can't thank you enough for all the support that you have shown me throughout these few months that we've been doing these types of videos. So thank you so much for watching these videos and just commenting and being such an amazing uke fam. I truly can't thank you enough. Also, what I do want to give a huge shout out to Kumu Ukulele for making such a beautiful uke. This is the tenor sized uke that they have. I'll make sure to link it below, or you can just go to leolaniukulele.com, and they want to give you a discount, which who doesn't love a good discount? If you use the code Ricky10, you'll save $10 off your entire purchase. Again, use code Ricky10 and you'll save $10 off your entire purchase. So make sure to go to leolaniukulele.com and shop till you drop. I love them so much. So thank you so much to everybody over there. You guys are absolutely amazing. And I know you guys watching always love when I do play this, and in the live streams, which we do every Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I usually play this one. I sometimes switch with the Leolani, and you guys absolutely love it. So again, thank you so much. And again, everything will be in the description below. If you want to see more behind the scenes stuff or just kind of watch my day-to-day life, make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's just at Ricky Somborn. We've reached over 56,000 Instagram family members, and I would love for you to join if you haven't already. Make sure to send me a DM letting me know what video you came from, and just let me know a little bit more about yourself. I always love getting to know the people that watch these videos. So again, it's just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to follow me there. Follow me on almost all my socials. I'll be linked below. Also, one exciting thing is that we finally have merch. I'm wearing the maroon hoodie. We have hats, t-shirts, sweatshirts, all the things. So if you want to get the official Uke Fam merch, this is our logo for this channel. Make sure to check the link in the description. It'll be in the top of the comments. It'll be the top link. Just click where it says get the official Uke Fam merch. You guys have shown so much support and love for the launch of my merch. I can't thank you enough. So thank you so much to everybody that's gotten it. And if you do get it, send me a picture, tweet me, send me a DM, tag me in stories or in posts on Instagram, and I would love to reshare you wearing it. I truly can't thank you enough for all the support that you've shown me on this channel and on my videos, for clicking these videos, watching them, commenting, liking, engaging, all that good stuff, and getting to know the viewers better is absolutely just such a positive, and the Uke Fam is growing and we are so strong. Again, thank you so much for all the merch love that you have shown me, and a huge thank you to Kumu Ukulele for making such great ukes. Again, you can shop their ukes at leolaniukulele.com, and don't forget the code, which again I'll leave in the description below, so you can go save yourself some money, because who doesn't want to save money these days? I know I do. So thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate that you watch these videos and hang out with me for these 10 to 15 minutes. I love you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.